My name is Bharat Gupta and this is the video demonstration of my project Medicine Inventory Management System. This is the home page. So we have to first register before logging in. We give it an email address, let's say bharat.gupta@gmail. As you can see, the validation was done dynamically. We can give the password, required password, and then we sign up and it shows that account was created successfully. We can go back and log in with the same address. And as you can see, the validation part was done again on the email address. We try to give the same password and sign in. After signing in, this is the home page where it greets us. Then we have two modules. One is manufacturer, second is medicine. Manufacturer and medicine both have a view all and search by ID operation. View all by manufacturer shows all the list of manufacturers available in our inventory with their respective medicines. It has a lot of operations such as add, sort, update and delete, where we can, let's say, add a manufacturer, let's say by the name of Spectra, submit, and it shows that the manufacturer was added successfully. We can go back and check, and yes, the Spectra was added successfully. We can change this name from, let's say, Spectra to Spectrum using the update manufacturer button, and it shows that the name was updated successfully. We can go back and check, and yes, Spectra was changed to Spectrum. Again, we can delete. By clicking on delete, it will delete Spectrum, and it did. Similarly, we have the view all medicines, where it shows all the medicines available in our inventory with their respective manufacturer IDs and quantities. Similarly, we have add, where we can add, let's say, a new medicine, Rogaine, quantity, let's say we gave it 50, and manufacturer ID, let's say we gave it 3, and submit, and it shows that the medicine was added successfully. We can go back and check, and yes, the Rogaine was added with the quantity 50 and assigned to manufacturer ID 3. We can even go back and check to manufacturer table, and the manufacturer ID 3, which was Dr. Reddy's, has now Rogaine also mentioned in the list of medicines. So it was added to the manufacturer's table as well. Similarly, we can change its quantity with the update. Let's say earlier the quantity is 50, we can change it to, let's say, 100, submit, and the medicine stock was updated successfully. We can go back and check, and yes, it updated from 50 to 100. Similarly, we can delete. By clicking on delete, it deletes the ID. And going back to manufacturer, we have the sort by name, where we can click on it and it will sort all the manufacturer's name alphabetically. Similarly, we have sort by quantity in medicines, where if we click on it, it will arrange all the medicines in increasing order of the quantities. This basically serves the purpose of letting us know which quantity of which medicine is running low on quantity, so we can restock it. We then have the search by ID for both the entities, where we could add, let's say, give it an ID 3 and search, and it shows Dr. Reddy's and the medicines available. Similarly, we have the search by ID operation for medicine, where we, let's say, give it 5 and it shows that the ID for paracetamol. So these were the basic operations. Now coming to the validations part, we have the validation done in the add manufacturer, where we can't leave this field blank. If we leave this blank, this will prompt out to fill out this field. Similarly, in update, we can't leave the field blank, so it will again show. And also one more validation was done to avoid duplication of names. If we try to add, let's say, Johnson's again, and let's say Johnson's, then it will say that it failed to add manufacturer because manufacturer with name Johnson's already exists. Similarly, a lot of validations were done in medicine. One of which was the fields were required to be filled, and let's say if I leave just a single field, it will prompt me to fill out this field. And the fields which require integers, which will only accept integer values, such as quantity, it will only accept integer, and similarly manufacturer ID will also only accept integers. Then we also did a validation where if we try to add a medicine, let's say Rogaine again, and quantity, let's say give it 100, and this time I try to assign it to a manufacturer which does not exist in a database, let's say the ID 100, then it will fail to add medicine because the given manufacturer ID does not exist. So this validation was also done as a foreign key relation. Then after all the needed operations are done, we can successfully log out on clicking sign out, and it shows that you have been successfully logged out. We can go back to home and it will now again require us to log in us. So this was basically it. Thank you so much.